Hi guys, welcome back to Toyphotography. What I have in front of me, we're doing a glass technique. So this is another glass technique. Batman versus Joker jumping off the building as he's punching Joker. So as you can see, there are a couple of what do you call it, glass pieces there. Let me just show you the setup in a little bit more detail. There you go. So that's how I place the glass pieces and the surroundings, the posing, so you can see them. Create an illusion like from the bottom there, as if the glass is coming towards you. Yep, and a couple of lights there, as you can see, red and blue and some white. So that's how you will see it from the top. The glass effects are not randomly placed, but it is placed to create an illusion as if it's coming from that broken window there and it's falling down. So, and it fills the frame as well. So I use one blue light here and a red light there, and as well as sort of like a greenish hue on both sides as well on my bigger ones. Then we have a little bit of white. Anyway, this is how it looks like on the viewfinder. So you see everything is the color is nice. You got the blue, you got the red, and but we need to offset that with a white light. So this is the camera setting as well as you can see. I needed to make the glass pieces visible. So yeah, which is why it's on the F is on a 6.3. Let me just show you how I take the shot. Yeah, so let's just get on to it. So that's how it looks like. That's the finished product, as you can see. Everything is nicely done, I guess. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. See you soon. Bye bye.